Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be showing you this 2024 Toyota Tundra. If you would like more information about this truck, contact Francisco. The number will be linked down below. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.